Welcome. In front of me is a GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing of this watch. So let's just get straight into this. This is the 47mm, just in case there are other ones, and AMOLED Sapphire. Pointing that out again because there might be multiple versions. I haven't looked into that. I know that Garmin sometimes makes the same branded watch, but for instance has a solar version. We do have a pull tab, so we're going that off. Oh wow, that is a chonkers. Ooh. Damn, that is that looks like a proper ballast weight for your wrist. Wow. Alright, this is Garmin, so I need to plug it in with the garbage plug for it to actually turn on. So let's do that. Now, if you haven't seen that before, Garmin is still using this just absolute dog shit charger for their watches, so you kind of plug it in from the bottom like this, and yeah, if it seems like it's straight out of beginning of 2000, that's because I'm pretty sure it is. So let's just grab a phone, plug it in. They should start charging it, meaning it should turn on. Right? Come on. I don't have the Type-C, do I? Okay, I do, off the screen. So let me just plug it in. Oh wait, never mind, it's booting up. There we go. Okay. So here is the absolute behemoth of the watch. I want to kind of compare it to my Samsung Galaxy Watch. I think this is 7 or whatever. Here's like a just comical size difference of these watches. Now this is the smaller one. Samsung has the two versions, the 40mm and 40 something millimeter. So this is the smaller one, but still you can see like this is halfway through my wrist and it still makes me look like a twig, which is correct. I mean, but I'm pretty sure I could put that around my bicep and it would still look like it's just kind of too big. That's what she said. Checking maps, okay, cool. Checking maps and then requiring actual. Oh right, this is Garmin, so this doesn't have actually touch display. Huh? Can I just not pair to a phone? And let's pair from settings. Can I not set this up? Oh boy, the navigation here is next level ass. Okay, cool. Good enough. Finish this. Oh boy, we might not get GPS here. I am in a basement. So let's see. Skip. There we go. Select the. Nah. Oops. Okay, so there we go. It has a touch display. Why was I forced to use the damn buttons then? Okay. So you can see here it is. I think this is fully set up, right? No, I don't want to pair it. Try and use the back one. Oh, there we go. So now we have the. The UI is not my forte right here, but all in all, you can see set up with a humongous display, even bigger body for it. Just absolutely massive chunkers right here. And pretty decent haptics. So it's a little bit on the softer side for haptic feedback, less precise than some like more premium watches, which I do want to point out, this is GARMIN, so one could argue that this should be already premium, but the haptic feedback seems definite step down from most other watches that are premium. So even Samsung, which I wouldn't consider in watch territory, specifically the smaller one, to be premium, this has much better haptic feedback than what we have right here. So as a kind of vibration feedback on your wrist, it just feels a little bit sloppy. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.